There they are.
Maru.
And here's our next set of dancers. And as soon as we get the thumbs up from Willie,
And not only do we have the solo competition today, it'll be intermingled with other groups that are coming out to perform some of their dance routines and be judged on music and dance and interpretation of dance and drumming and all that. So we have a full day ahead of us, and what a great way to start it out with the solo competition with such a young age, and seeing what they can develop into later on is going to be tremendous. I hope you're going to be with us for the next 2 or 3 days, because it's going to be just better and better as it goes on, I assure you.
Arutu.
Maruru ladies, you may relax. Please make sure your numbers are clearly visible to our judges. Maruru, Maruru. Again, these are the ages, these are the solo finalists, age groups 5 to 8 and then 9 to 12. As Makala Apua was mentioning earlier,
Thank you, babies.
The drummers are drumming.
You may leave the stage. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off.
Thank you. Maruru.
Maruru.